Hello, today's topic? At the theater.
I'm excited for tonight's play.
Me too. It's supposed to be fantastic.
Have you been to this theater before?
No, it's my first time.
You'll love it. The ambience is great.
What's the play about?
It's a comedy set in the 1920s.
Sounds entertaining. I can't wait.
Me neither. Let's find our seats.
Do you have the tickets?
Yes, right here in my bag.
Great. I'll grab some snacks.
Good idea. Popcorn or candy?
Both if that's okay.
Sure, I'll get some drinks too.
Thanks. I'll meet you inside.
Do you prefer aisle or middle seats?
I like the aisle seats better.
Okay, let's aim for those.
Wow, this theater is beautiful.
Isn't it? It has a lot of history.
I'm glad we came early.
Yes, it's nice to soak it all in.
The lights are dimming. It's starting.
Let's enjoy the show.
Vocabulary.
Theater. Excited. Play. Fantastic. Ambience. Comedy. Entertaining. Seat. Ticket. Snack. Popcorn. Candy. Drink. Aisle. Middle. History. Early. Light. Start. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.